Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now in this video I'm going to be showing you that how can you create pages, okay? Because we want to create pages and we want to set our website up. Do not get yourself confused with any other thing. You can see we have this design, we don't like this image, we don't like this style and everything. So not get confused. We are just here for just understanding how WordPress works. And when we will understand, we'll learn how to customize it. So let's just go ahead and let's quickly add a page. You can see that if I just go to home page, a normal page appears and that has the hello world and these stuff, and it says post. And I know it might be so confusing. You might know about it and you might not know about it, but just leave it as it is. Just keep that aside. Okay, we will understand it later on when we will learn everything. So let's just go ahead and let's quickly add a page. I'm gonna go to this add new. Okay, this is the button in the dashboard. You can see that you must be in the dashboard homepage, and here you must be seeing these pages. You have to just click here and then you have to hit add new, and you will be taken to a new page, and it says add a new page. Okay, so I'm going to be naming this page as the home page. Okay, so I'm going to be naming it as home. Okay, and then here I'm going to add the content. So the content can be anything, like you can add something like hello world or something like that, but I'm going to be adding a dummy content. For the dummy content, you can use a website called lipsum.com. Okay, so they give the dummy content that you can just put on your website, and then it will not be a copyright issue. So we're just creating a normal based website, like we're using it for testing purposes. We're not just creating a business based website. That is why I would recommend you to, when you are learning everything, make sure to just copy the content and paste, and that should be dummy content. So I'm just going to click generate lorem ipsum, and this is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to quickly copy this. Okay, till this, and I am going to copy, and I'm going to come here and I am going to paste it right here. So you can see this is the content that has been pasted, and this is my whole area where I can manage everything. Okay, like I can make any of the content bold, I can make any of the content in a bulleted list. So let's suppose that I want to add this to be like bold. Okay, like this, and I want to make it bold. You can see this is bold. Let's suppose that I want to make it the heading. So I'm going to make it down, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select here, and I'm going to change it to be like heading. So you can play with this. If you know Microsoft Word, how Microsoft Word works, then you must know how everything works. You guys should know how the bulleted list works and how everything works, so you can just play around with it. Let's just go ahead and let's add a bulleted list. Okay, that can be like unordered list or something like that. So I'm just gonna add 1, 2, 3, and so this is how you can see on pressing enter, a new bullet comes, and if I just double press enter, this will be gone. So this is how it works. Okay, now let's just go ahead and let's just publish this. So I'm just clicking the publish. You will see that my page will be published. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make it publish. Okay, and you can see that we have designed our first home page, and let's just go ahead and let's open it up. So I'm just clicking here. You can see that it says itonzl.com/home, and this is my home page that is coming. So it says home, and here is the content, everything. I know the look doesn't look good. I'm telling you once again, guys, do not worry about the styling. Just learn WordPress right now. When we will understand it, we'll see how amazing websites are created. We will create every type of website, okay? So do not get confused and do not just rush into it like I want to know everything. Okay, so now you can see how great it is looking. We know now how to create pages, and this is how our page is looking. Okay, so let's just quickly add the about page and the contact page as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am gonna click here add new. Okay, and let's just go ahead and let's add about us. Okay, and let's come here and let's copy this right here, copy, and let's paste it. So you have to copy the content, that is the lorem ipsum from lipsum.com. Okay, and then what you have to do, you have to just hit publish. So you can see that now we have created our about us page as well. Let's quickly go ahead and open this up in new tab, and you can see how it is looking. So this is our about us. We also have created the home, and now we have to create the contact us page. So I'm just going to click add new right here again, and let's name it as contact us. So I'm just gonna be telling you a different design here so that you guys can play with it here. Okay, let's just click here, and you can see a new bar is coming up right here, so you can pretty well manage with it. Okay, and now here I want to make it like phone number. Okay, and then here I want to add the phone number, so they can be like +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and let's add an email address. Okay, and that can be like info@itanzeal.com. Okay, and then we have the next one. So don't worry about this email. I'll show you how can you create the domain-based email. Okay, now let's quickly just go ahead and add one more thing, and that is the address. So address, area, number 2, block 7, US. Okay, and then here I'm gonna be adding the zip code. So I can see that this is my phone number, this is my email address, and this is my address. Okay, now we want to design this. So for the phone number, let's suppose that I want to make it a different color. Okay, I want to make it like blue. Okay, this blue. And for the email address, let's make it bold as well. Okay, so that it is bold and just easy to view. Okay, we want to just work with the email address as well. Okay, let's just select it. Let's keep it bold, and let's choose a different color here. So that is a light blue. Okay, and for the address, I want it to be bold. Okay, and I also want it to be of a more light blue, and I want to make it italic and the underline. So where's underline? Okay, we don't have underline, so I'm gonna press Control U. Okay, we don't have underline right here. Okay, yes, on pressing the Control U, you can basically underline an element. So you have to press Control, and then you have to hit U, and the underline will come. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to just go ahead and I have to hit publish. Okay, and you can pretty well just work with these as well if you want to make some changes. Let's just go ahead and let's publish it, and let's have a look at this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna view this page as well. Okay, so you can see how it is looking. We have this phone number, we have this email address, and we have this address. And this is our just a basic website. Like we have the phone number, we have the email address, and we have this address. Okay, so now we basically know how to add pages. Okay, so if you just go to the all pages, you're gonna see all the pages that we have on our website. So we have our home page, we have our about us, and we have our contact us. So these three are very important. And this is the sample page. So let's just go ahead and let's quickly delete this sample page, because this is not sorry, I just viewed this. Let's just go ahead and let's click trash, and let's delete this page. So this page is going to be deleted, and it's going to be in the trash, so that like if you have accidentally deleted, you can restore it. But I'm going to delete it permanently because I don't want this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the all pages, and here I have the main pages, which is the home, the about us, and the contact us. Okay, so now when we go to our website home page, you can see that this home page is not coming, the post is coming, which is confusing ourselves. So how to make our home page to be the actual home page, so that if someone visits itanzeal.com, he should see this home page. Okay, so how to do that? How do you do that? Okay, so for that, you have to watch the next lecture, and in that lecture I'll also show you that how can you work with the menus. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.